Hare Krishna. Most auspicious day is coming tomorrow. That is Jaya Ekadashi. Why should we fast on Ekadashi? Because Ekadashi is the day which is very lovable to Krishna. एकादशी इज द डे दैट इज भगति जननी. एकादशी जो फास्ट करते हैं उससे हमें भक्ति प्राप्त होती है. सो वी शुड ऑल्सो फास्ट ऑन एकादशी इफ वी वांट कृष्णा's mercy, if we want Krishna's love in our life. So then we should observe Ekadashi fasting. So this Ekadashi is very special because it will be mixed with Varaha Dwadashi. So on this Ekadashi we should keep fasting Nirjala till 12 noon. Then you can take, after 12 you can take Ekadashi Prasadam. So then your Ekadashi and Varaha Dwadashi fasting will be done on this day. Hare Krishna, and try to chant more and more rounds of Hare Krishna Maha Mantra and be happy.